What's going on, guys? It's your man Malik here. Welcome back to Side Hustle Gigs, where we talk about how to make money online, offline, full-time, part-time, or in your spare time. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna talk about the Uber Pro Card. Okay, the Uber Pro Card. I've made a lot of videos talking about Uber, renting a car, and things of that nature. And I've had questions about this card here, the Uber Pro Card. So the Uber Pro Card, as you can see, Uber, mine's is a little dirty. I've had mine for a long time. I probably need a new one now. But anyway, the Uber Pro Card is where you get paid instantly after you do deliveries for Uber Eats, or after you do a ride, picking somebody up and doing a Uber X, Uber, one of those. Your money goes straight to this card. You have the option of getting your money right after you finish doing a delivery or a passenger ride. Okay, all you have to do is get the Uber Pro Card. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, also, this is the card. Okay, and this is maybe for some rental car places, maybe not all of them. Okay, but this is the card that I had to use to be able to rent a car with Uber. Okay, this is the car. As far as I rented a car through Avis, excuse me, and they said I had to use this card to be able to rent a car. And this is where my my weekly rental car fee comes out. Okay, but it's okay because I get paid directly to this card every time I do a delivery or every time I pick up a passenger and I finish the ride. Okay, it goes straight to this card. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna show you the app. I wanted to show you what the card looked like, give you small details, but I'm actually gonna go over and show you the app, what the app looks like, and show you how you can get a backup balance, okay, of between $50 and $150. So if you need extra, $150 to $150 until either you make more money with Uber, or maybe whatever you need it for. If you needed some extra money for something, I'm going to show you how you can get that, and as well as how the app works and things of that nature. So let's go over to that. Let's go over to the app and check that out right now. All right, guys. So now we're going to go over to the Uber Pro Card app. Okay, so this is an app that you'll be able to download if you decide that you want to get paid instantly. Okay, so you still have the option of getting paid, directly to your bank account, or directly to whatever other debit card that you may want to send your money to instantly. Okay, but if you want to use the Uber debit card, then you have to actually choose that option. So right now I'm actually on the Uber app. If I wanted to go online, I can go online right now, but I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go over to account. Okay, actually, no, I'm sorry. I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to wallet. Okay, I'm going to go to wallet, and as you can see here, it says Uber Pro Card. Your earnings are automatically paid out to your Uber Pro Card after every trip, free of charge. Okay, so if I wanted to change my payment method, then I'd come down, I'd go to wallet and I'd scroll down, and as you can see, it says payment methods. Okay, you click on payment methods and you see that they have all of the different options that you can do, as far as if you wanted to add a PayPal account, do Venmo, you can do your bank account, or you can do a different bank card. Okay, so you can choose whichever one that you want to do, but me, I'm going to choose the Uber Pro Card. Okay, so I'm going to go back and then I'm going to open the app. Okay, I'm going to go into the app right now and log in, and I'm going to show you everything as far as what you're going to see as well. All right, so balance right now. So anytime that I make money doing Uber, it goes straight into this account. And if I wanted to move the funds to my bank account, then I just click on move funds. And as you can see, I can, transfer it over to my debit card. Fees vary. If I wanted to transfer it over to another bank, it's 3 to 5 business days and it's free. I can save the funds, I can pay a bill, or I can get the money out via ATM. If you go to Wawa's, or if you go to a bank that has if you go to a gas station that has a ATM with no surcharge, then you can get your money out with fee free. Okay, no fees at all. Excuse me, I'm a little tongue tied, but yeah, you'll get no fees, and you'll get all of your money right there. Okay, you can also add money. You can go to a gas station, or you can go to a place, and if you needed to add money to this card, then you can do that. And or you can get it from another bank as well too. So let me show you guys how you can get the rainy day fund, if you will. Okay, so as you can see right now, let's pay this back really quick so I can show you what it looked like. Okay, so me myself, I actually have $50 available. Okay, $50 available as a backup. This is a backup fund. Okay, a backup fund. So I can actually take this as available, and I want it, so I'm going to swipe up, and I'm all set. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how can you get this backup balance, or how can you get $50 backup balance, or even $150 backup balance? I'm going to click top right. There's a question mark up here. And this option here tells you how the backup balance works. Okay. So basically, these are the qualifications to be eligible for backup balances. Drivers with Uber must meet specific criteria based on their Uber Pro status. Once qualified, drivers can unlock the ability to tap into these funds by fulfilling the following monthly requirements. Okay, so every month you have to fulfill these requirements to be able to get a certain amount of money depending on the status that you are on. Okay, so earnings requirement: you got to make at least $700 the previous month. Okay, so before I wasn't Ubering for a while, so the first month that I got back on the Uber, I had to make at least $700 to be able to get a backup balance of any amount. Okay, so automatic payouts: you have to be using the Uber Pro card to be able to get the backup balance. Okay, activate driver, active driver on Uber's driver for 200 days or more. Okay, so you have to actually have been an active driver for on the app for 200 days or more to be able to get a backup balance. Okay, to be eligible for additional backup balances, you must fully repay any previous backup balances. So me, I'm gonna repay that 50, and I'll be eligible to get more. All right, but also you have to be at a certain tier to get, whether it be 50, 100, or 150. So me, I am on the blue tier. As you can see, I have the blue tier, green tier, gold tier, platinum tier, and Uber Pro tier. Okay, if you get on platinum or Uber Pro, you will be eligible to have $150 worth of backup balances that you could use, that you could take, use for extra bills or whatever you want. You know what I mean? So this is how you get there. How do you get there? You have to actually do your rides. You have to your acceptance rates have to be good, things of that nature. Okay, so if you work on that and you get to that point, then you'll be able to either get $50, $100 if you get to gold. Platinum, 150, or Uber Pro, you get another 150 there. Okay, and so that's how you get the backup balance. They also have different ways that you can save on, get extra cash back on different things, whether it be gas, tires, if you needed extra maintenance on your car and things of that nature, then you can actually use that. It's definitely great for gas. As you can see, it has enjoy a Costco membership at no cost for the first year for platinum and diamond status members. Okay, so if you get to that status, then you'll be able to get a Costco membership and things of that nature. And this section right here is where you can add all your information and your personal information, as far as updating address, if you need a new card, things of that nature. So this is the card, this is the app. Okay, it gives you cash flow transactions. This is great if you want to get your money instantly with Uber. Okay, and if you want that backup balance, all you have to do is continue to grow your status with Uber, and you'll be able to get there. Okay, so if you're an Uber driver, or if you've had questions as far as how to get a certain amount of money or how to use this card, then I'm hoping this video helped you out. Ask any questions below and I'll make sure to answer them for you. This was a video about the Uber Pro card, how to get the backup balance, how to navigate the app, how to actually add it on the Uber app, as far as choosing it as an option to get paid. Okay, if you go to the Uber app and go to wallet, and there should be an option for you to actually download the app and get your card sent to you through the mail. Okay, just put in all of your information and they will send you a card. Okay, and then you can turn it on over at the Uber app. Okay, you can turn it on over here and you'll be able to use it after every single trip that you do. Okay, so I hope this video helped out. Okay, if you have any questions, comment below. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found value in this Uber Pro Car video, okay? Thanks for watching. And this is the Side Hustle Gigs channel. Like I said, I'm helping you, showing you how you can earn money part-time, full-time, in your spare time, whether that be full-time, offline, online. You know the motto. It's going to get better, baby. It's going to get better. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.